Hi everyone, thank you for watching my video. I'm Mari. In this video, I'll show you how to get to this Kadokawa Culture Museum, what the museum is like, and show you some places around the museum. So please enjoy this video till the end. My channel shows you tourist spots and some ideas for you to visit during your trip to Japan. Welcome to subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. The Kadokawa Culture Museum is located about 40 or 50 minutes train ride from central Tokyo. It's not just a museum, it's a wonderful mix of library, art gallery, and museum, so I'm sure you will find something interesting. Also, the museum building itself is unique. The shape changes depending on the angle you look at it. It's fun to walk around and discover the different views. Now, let's head to the museum together from one of the main stations in central Tokyo called Ikebukuro Station. Ikebukuro Station is one of the major hub stations in Tokyo. It is one of the stations in the JR loop line, the Yamanote line. And there are also 3 subway lines and 2 other train lines. Almost all the gates of trains and subways are located underground. So let's go downstairs. There are a few different ways to get to the museum, but in this video, I'll show you the quickest route using public transportation. First, we are going to hop on the Tobu Tojo line train from Ikebukuro Station to Asaka-dai Station. It's just a 20 minutes ride. Next, we walk from Asaka-dai Station to Kita Asaka Station. We need to change trains. The stations are very close together, so it's just a short walk. From Kita Asaka Station, we'll hop on a train to Higashi Tokorozawa Station. It's less than 10 minutes train ride. Higashi Tokorozawa Station is the closest train station to the museum. From Higashi Tokorozawa Station, we walk to the museum. It's about a 10 minutes walk. The road is nice and flat, so it's really easy to walk. In total, it'll take about 35 minutes to get from Ikebukuro Station to the closest train station to the museum. The train fare is about 500 to 600 yen for one way. Here is Ikebukuro Station. Since it's underground, I always feel like a maze. First, let's head to the Tobu Tojo line gate together. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the blue signs marked with TJ. If you have a Suica card or any IC card for public transportation in Japan, you can go straight to the gate. If not, ticket machines are next to the gate. In Japan, train fares are displayed based on a route map. Asaka-dai Station is the 12th stop from Ikebukuro Station. The fare to Asaka-dai Station is 330 yen for one way. The red color price is for a child. Alright, let's go in! These 4 trains, Kawagoe Limited Express, Rapid Express, Express, and Semi-Express all stop at Asaka-dai Station, so we can take any train starting from track 1 and 2. Let's go up to the platform. 1023 is out of service, so let's take 1030 Kawagoe Limited Express train.
This is the Kawagoe Limited Express train stop for Ogawa-machi. It stops in order of Asaka-dai, Kawagoe, Kawagoe. The next station is Asaka-dai. TJ 13. The next station is Asaka-dai.
Alright, we've arrived at Asaka-dai Station. There's only one exit. The restrooms are on the same floor as the exit. So let's head to the gate. After the ticket gate, turn right and head to the north exit. We walk toward JR Line Kita Asaka Station. Here is the Kita Asaka Station. If you need to buy a ticket, there's a ticket machines right behind the ticket gate. We are going up to platform 1. Here we are at Higashi Tokorozawa Station. This is the closest train station to the museum. This is the station building. And let's start walking to the museum. This road leading to the museum is known as Manhole Street. It's fun to walk along this path, finding many manhole covers featuring characters from manga and anime. Along the way to the museum, you'll find a convenience store, a bookshop, and some restaurants. Turn left at the sign with the rabbit. This rabbit sign shop is a baby clothing store. Enter the park and just go straight. Then there's the museum. Finally, here's the Kadokawa Culture Museum. You'll find a modern shrine right next to the museum. Let's take a look at the museum building from various angles. The museum has 3 entrances. You can go in from any entrance. Alright, let's go in! I'll show you inside the museum with photos because video recording is not allowed. This entrance floor is the lobby, and here's the second floor. There's a ticket counter, museum shop, a cafe, and lockers. If you bought your ticket online in advance, you don't need to go to the ticket counter. You can start from any floor that your ticket allows. So first, I recommend you to head straight to the 4th floor and check out the museum's most famous attraction, the Bookshelf Theater. I love this floor. It's a wonderland of books and mysterious, fascinating items. You can have a seat to read these books. The Bookshelf Theater is further back, so let's go check it out. Here is the Bookshelf Theater. Let's head to the 5th floor. The 5th floor has a gallery and a restaurant. The 3rd floor has an anime museum. It may not be accessible depending on the type of tickets you have. Please check when you buy a ticket. The 1st floor has a gallery and a library of manga and light novels. You can read these books here. Now I'll show you the facilities around the museum briefly. There are cafes, restaurants, convenience stores, bookshop, a ramen shop, and an information center. return to Ikebukuro Station, the station we start, take a train on platform 3 or 4 to Kitaasaka Station, then transfer to the Tobu Tojo line. This signboard shows that the next train is bound for Tokyo Station. If you take this train all the way to the Tokyo Station, it will take about an hour and a half. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video helps you. See you in the next video. Bye!